Yeah, my real rap nigga, 9 mil, let's go. Ear to the beat, keep an ear to the street, 2 hands. One he ain't need for beef that's trying to bury me. They can die slow, nigga, I'm burning on that hydro. Fist the fury, so I'm fearless wherever I go. I can give a fuck about niggas holding they nuts. They ain't tough, break them down, I bet he bleed just like us. He ain't ready, not for this beef, nah, he ain't fucking with me. He fucking history, and when he done with her, I'ma make him marry misery. Friends turn enemies, it's crazy in this industry. I wonder why they envy me, they crawling like some centipedes. Jealousy and your energy ain't shit that gotten into me. Hey, shit is crazy, niggas changing on the daily, colliding and crushing you niggas. Just know that you made me, and just know you frail niggas can't fade me. Must be crazy, yeah. Rap, yeah, hell driving nigga, yeah, right in your motherfucking gut. That's what's up, real rap. Hell driving for you bitch ass niggas. Hell driving, real rap. Hell driving, real rap. Booyah, booyah, these bullets will shoot right through ya. And don't expect a funeral nobody ever knew. Smoking like a Rasta, one hand on the Ruger. Shot up, blood fire, knee when I squeeze. Guarantee one body blow it, drop him to his knees. Yeah, that's all I need. Got the weed, I'm good.